Hi, how are you?
Okay. I give you one. I give you one. No, it's yours.
Snatch it away.
Greedy. 앉아. 너를 여기서. 시. 앉아. 파.
자, 저희 아이들한테 간식 줄 때는 줄리아 얘들아
시. 앉아. Don't care.
줄리 자, 양쪽을 하시고 저희 손 날라가는 손도 좀 삐하면 넘어주시고 한번 질문해 보세요.
I haven't pressed the record button, bro.
That's your mom already.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. Welcome again. Hello. So cute. Time out.
Yes, yeah.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer. Every night, I can feel my leg.
Sit down. 앉아. 하나 더. 거기에 맛있을 거?
Small legs.
제가 얼음 하나씩 나눠드릴 텐데 애들이 올라탈 수 있어요. 제가 올라타거든요. 그래서 올라타면 바로 주시면 돼요. 이렇게 손 편하게 올려놓고 주시면 되고요. 진짜 잘 돌아요.
Why you draw the ring until so nice though? I don't know. The design is the main focus, bro.
I don't know.
You don't know? Then stick to this lah.
I'm gonna copy yours.
Bruh.
Ready?
Okay.
대체 뭘 보고 하시는 거예요? 어떤 걸 보고 이걸 그리시는 거예요?
Hi, how are you?
She's cute. Like I said, I step around like that. Shoes, bro.
Oh, that's cool. Couple ring. Why I got yellow instead of orange there?
Screenshot send me. Busy opening mine. Coming home. This one. Oh, lucky I say to share.
음식 나왔습니다. 433번 고객님 음식 나왔습니다.
This is what?
This is my favorite.
Or you can just go and sandwich.
434번 고객님 음식
This is
나왔습니다.
auto focus.
430
Look, this is a good angle, sir.
I literally have no notes left.
The next day.
Either one or two.
Never mind, worst case is I just take whatever small change she have. Do you have small change?
No, only the 5,000 more. And a few coins. Oh yeah, I got that's nice. Ta-da!
That's when I thought I'm done with coins.
Hey, you can say it's 7-Eleven.
Yeah, I guess.
Please do not look at it. Wait. What the fuck is this? What? Whoa!
Chill. Shit, I took money.
Should I go first or you go first? Go.
Hey, you haven't go yet.
Wow.
Wow, it's actually getting like smaller. Wow, this gets shorter.
I forgot to record. I forgot to record. You guys are coming out. Oh my god. Glowing nails, glowing shoes, glowing jacket, glowing teeth. Smile. Hello. Dippin' Dots. Another Dippin' Dots. Yo.
How much one bag costs?
Yeah. Wait, I wonder. Yeah. Oh, the moon is up.
It's just now.
Roads and tea. Yeah.
How you mix, yeah? Ano?
You wasted one small piece. I'll eat that small piece, okay?
I think my octopus already died. Just stop wiggling. Yeah, just now.
Still not a fan.
Boy.
Okay lah.
I don't mind eating another bit.
There's 6 more minutes to order. But I feel like they're cleaning already.
We try not my bad.
I got one.
One more?
It's not really that good.
Right.
It's really vegan.
This is from US.
Cheers.